Hey, how was your day at school?
It was good. Classes were okay, but I'm glad it's over.
Yeah, same here. Classes were a bit boring, but at least we're one step closer to the weekend.
Haha, true that. Did you have any interesting lessons today?
Not really, just the usual stuff. Math, English, and history. But we did start a new project in science class.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What's the project about?
It's about ecosystems and how different species interact with each other. I think it's going to be fun to research and work on.
That does sound cool. I had a pretty tough quiz in Spanish class. I hope I did well.
I'm sure you aced it. You've always been great with languages.
Thanks. You're sweet. How about you? Any quizzes or tests today?
Fortunately, no quizzes for me today. But we did get our history midterm dates. And it's next week.
Yikes. Better start studying early for that one.
Yeah. I'm planning to. So, did you have lunch with your friends today?
Yep. We had a blast at the cafeteria. We were discussing our plans for the weekend.
Nice. Anything exciting planned?
Well, we're thinking of going to the new movie that just came out. It's supposed to be really good.
Sounds like a plan. I heard about that movie too. Maybe I'll join you guys.
That would be awesome. The more, the merrier.
Did you get to talk to our new teacher today?
Yes, Miss Johnson, right? She seems nice and super enthusiastic about teaching.
Yeah, that's her. I think she'll be a good addition to the school.
Speaking of additions, did you hear about the new art club starting next week?
Oh, really? That's great news. I've been wanting to join an art club for a while now.
You should definitely sign up then. I'll join with you. We can create some awesome artwork together.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. I've missed doing creative stuff.
Me too. It'll be a great way to unwind after all these classes.
By the way, did you see the new guy in our class today?
Yeah, I noticed him. He seems a bit shy, but I'm sure he'll make friends soon.
Agreed. We should try to make him feel welcome.
Absolutely, that's a great idea. Let's invite him to our lunch group sometime.
Perfect. I think he'll appreciate that. So, how was your sports practice today?
It was tough, but I loved the challenge. Coach is pushing us hard for the upcoming competition.
That's dedication right there. I admire your commitment to your sport.
Thanks. And how about your basketball practice?
It was intense, too. We had a scrimmage against the senior team, and they're really good.
Well, that's great practice for you. You'll be even better by the time the season starts.
I hope so. Anyway, any plans for this evening?
Not much, just some homework and studying for that Spanish quiz.
I might join you in some of that homework. It's always more fun when we study together.
I agree. We can help each other out and make it less boring.
And after that, we can relax and watch a movie or something.
Sounds like a plan. So, how about your family? How are they doing?
They're good. Thanks for asking. Mom's cooking something special for dinner tonight.
Lucky you. I'll probably just have leftovers.
You're always welcome to join us for dinner sometime.
Thanks, that's really sweet of you.
No problem. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Well, besides the movie night with my friends, nothing too crazy. How about you?
I think I'll be catching up on some reading and maybe go for a bike ride.
That sounds relaxing. Sometimes a quiet weekend is just what we need.
Absolutely, a little downtime can be refreshing.
So true. Well, I better get started on that homework. Sounds like a plan. See you soon.
Yeah, me too. Let's meet up in a bit and tackle it together. See you soon.